Are home prices really going down in Santa Clara here in Silicon Valley? Kamal, what do you think?
Well, Eddie, let's look at numbers.
Okay.
Currently 97 active, 43 pendings,
Yep.
and 54 homes sold in month of September.
Now, Kamal, you and I, we do a lot of open houses. What are you
Yes.
seeing? Are you seeing more traffic?
Yes, absolutely. Since mortgage rates has dropped down in the last couple of weeks,
Right.
I'm seeing more foot traffic,
Yep.
and also I'm seeing a little bit more activity in the offers.
Yeah, and that's right. I'm getting a lot of calls as well. But remember one thing, Santa Clara is literally the heart of Silicon Valley. No matter what's happening with the mortgage rates, I mean, homes are still moving pretty quickly. And what's going to happen with these rates dropping, chances are they're going to move even faster than they did. So if you're thinking about selling, what do you think? Come on.
Well, just reach out to us, and we are here to guide you.
Yep, that's right. And you have to price it right. Believe it or not, we just sold a home in Santa Clara, $500,000 above the list price. So those kind of things are still happening. So come on, what would you say to buyers?
Well, buyers, I would say in Silicon Valley, you don't wait and buy. You buy and wait in Silicon Valley.
That's right. I've been here since 97 and you nailed it. You buy and you wait for 5-10 years. It's a long-term investment. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll see you soon.